Three important notes before we begin. Power must be turned off when wiring a new sensor to the system. Sensors should be connected one after the other. Do not connect more than one sensor to the system at a time. Check the available power from the Pyrobox installed before connecting the sensor or sensors.
Now we begin with the connecting procedure.
Turn off the power supply to the Pyrobox.
First, we connect the cables to a Pyro Jbox.
Connect red wire to the system's R terminal. Connect black wire to the system's C terminal. Connect blue wire to the system's A terminal. Connect white wire to the system's B terminal.
Turn on the power supply to the Pyrobox.
Set switch S1 to on to enter technician settings. Switch is located at the back side of the controller inside the Pyrobox. Go to P13 by pressing select and plus together to switch to the next parameter, or select and minus together to switch to the previous parameter. Press plus to start sensors scan. The aerial sensor is detected and given MAC 1. Wait until the scan ends and the off indicator appears. Set switch S1 to off to exit technician settings. The first sensor is now connected to the Pyro system, adding the second sensor to the system.
Turn off the power supply to the Pyrobox.
Connect red wire to the system's R terminal. Connect black wire to the system's C terminal. Connect system's A terminal to all sensors, blue wires. Connect system's B terminal to all sensors, white wires.
Turn on the power supply to the Pyrobox.
Set switch S1 to on to enter technician settings. Go to P13, press select and plus together to switch to the next parameter, or select and minus together to switch to the previous parameter. Press plus to start sensor scan.
The second ground sensor is detected and given MAC = 5.
Wait until the scan ends. The second sensor is now connected to the Pyro system. Go to P9, press on button to enable the connected sensors. Go to P10 and press plus button to enable test mode. Set switch S1 to off to exit technician settings. Press on button, check for on indication. Check for test indication on display. Commissioning mode is active. Check ambient temperature is -5 degrees Celsius or 23 degrees Fahrenheit. Notice, verify no AUX appears on the display, indicating that one or more of the sensors were not detected by the controller. If a sensor's indication is blinking with one or more numbers next to it, do the following. 1. Check wiring and connections to the sensors. 2. Make sure all the relevant sensors were well defined as enabled or disabled. Continue to the next steps only after AUX indication disappears. To check if the sensor is working properly, pour water on it. Make sure that the sensing surface remains wet for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Check that the sensor detects the wetness by a blinking snowflake icon on the display screen while the sensor is wet. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes to make sure the snowflake icon that indicates snow stops blinking and the detection time delay is over. Check that the heater or heaters are activated and the activated heater icon turns from white to black. Check heater's timer is displayed and starts counting backwards. Default time 1.5 hours. Repeat the water test to all other sensors.
Finally, go to P10 and press the minus button to disable test mode. If you do not leave test mode, the system will exit this mode automatically after 5 hours.